So Tom, I just want you to sort of recall your 0 to 1 journey, right? So how did you get those first 5 customers, right? So like where did you find them? All right, Tom. So let's try to understand what Lead Smart Tech does and how why customers pay you in.
Yeah. So the short story for Lead Smart Technologies is we're a CRM, customer relationship management, and customer intelligence platform specifically for a vertical market that's called wholesale distribution. So people that manufacture products and then the companies that sell those manufactured products. There's a bit of an ecosystem there, and we're focused entirely on that vertical, and everything in our product is aligned towards supporting those customers.
Got it, right? So just talk a bit about the history here, right? So like I mean, I know CRM is such an age-old space, right? So how did
Sure.
you end up, picking this particular vertical,
Yeah.
right? And just talk about
Yeah.
that story there.
No, that's a great question. So my co-founder in the company has spent 35 years in this industry. So he was a manufacturer. He was a manufacturer's rep, which are salespeople that work with manufacturers. He worked for a distributor. So he suffered through a lot of the challenges that we have been addressing with LeadSmart. And, the market has been pretty underserved with technology solutions. So they really haven't had solutions that are geared to that market that make sense for them. So a lot of manual, our biggest competitor, as we say, is Excel and email, right? That's what people use there. So he really saw an opportunity here. I have a long-standing tech background. I've built multiple software companies. He said, this is a bit of a blue ocean. We need to help this market. And so that's how we kind of jumped in and have been doing this for the last few years.
All right. So Tom, I just want you to sort of recall your 0 to 1 journey, right? So how did you get those first 5 customers, right? So like where did you find them? How did you know them,
Yeah.
right? How did
So
you manage to convert them? Just talk about that story.
the first 5 customers really came because of my co-founder's relationships in the industry.
Mhm.
So he reached out to people that he knew, had worked with before, right? So I will call them sort of like the friends and family type of customer. But what was good about, again, people are well connected. And so we use those as a platform to kind of springboard to get to the next layer and the next layer. But yeah, I would say the most of them came from the friends and family relationship that my co-founder had, Kevin.
Got it. Right. So thanks for watching the B2B SaaS podcast channel. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel here.